Hey there, agriculture enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of plant reproductive strategies, specifically protogyny and protoandry. These are two terms that might sound a bit intimidating at first, but trust me, they're quite straightforward once you get the hang of them. Let's start with protoandry. Simply put, protoandry happens when the male parts of the flower mature before the female parts. This strategy helps avoid self-pollination and promotes cross-pollination, which can be beneficial for genetic diversity. A classic example of protoandry is maize, or corn. In maize, the tassels, which are the male flowers, release pollen before the silks, which are the female flowers, are ready to receive it. This timing ensures that maize plants are more likely to cross-pollinate, resulting in healthier and more robust crops. Another great example is the humble onion. Onions exhibit protoandry where the anthers, the male parts, release pollen before the stigma, the female part, is receptive. This timing helps onions achieve better pollination efficiency. Let's not forget about carrots and beets, both of which follow the same strategy. By releasing pollen early, these plants ensure they have higher chances of cross-pollination with neighboring plants. Now, moving on to protogyny. Protogyny is when the female parts of the flower mature before the male parts. This timing helps these plants avoid self-pollination and encourages cross-pollination, just like protoandry, but in the opposite order. Take pearl millet, for example. In pearl millet, the stigmas become receptive before the anthers release pollen. This promotes cross-pollination, ensuring the genetic diversity of the next generation of plants. Cole crops, such as broccoli and cabbage, also exhibit protogyny. The female parts mature first, encouraging these plants to cross-pollinate with others in their vicinity. Cassava is another interesting case. In cassava, the female flowers mature before the male flowers, which helps prevent self-pollination and boosts genetic variation. Black pepper and checkermanis, lesser known but equally important, also display protogyny. By having their female parts mature first, these plants ensure they benefit from cross-pollination, resulting in more resilient and productive crops. In summary, both protogyny and protoandry are ingenious strategies plants use to enhance cross-pollination and avoid self-pollination. Whether it's through the male parts maturing first, like in maize and onions, or the female parts maturing first, like in pearl millet and cassava, these mechanisms are vital for plant health and crop productivity. So next time you're out in the field or studying in class, remember these examples. Understanding these reproductive strategies can make a big difference in how you approach agriculture and crop management. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the amazing world of agriculture.